The Yu-Gi-Oh! Misconceptions series, where we take a close look at misconceptions that even competitive players and judges have on card text, game mechanics, rulings, and policies.
What's up YouTube? I'm Vaughn, and today we are looking at the misconception of Ghost Belle and Haunted Mansion. Now, a lot of players are already familiar with the effect to negate cards like Paw of Avarice, Monster Reborn, and Called by the Grave. But what they're not familiar with is actually the card text stating that it can negate the activation of cards or effects, which is definitely different than just negating an effect. This means that you could potentially play Ghost Belle in situations that you can't usually play hand traps, like the damage step. As an example, if your opponent has an SHADDOLL Wendy destroyed by battle and they would like to trigger the effect to add a SHADDOLL fusion, you could in fact chain Ghost Belle to it in the damage step. Now this also means, since it negates the activation, if your opponent plays Invocation while Magical Meltdown is on the field, you cannot chain Ghost Belle to it. Now we're going to be talking about other rulings that is associated with Ghost Belle, like if your opponent activates Cyvering Gamma while they don't have a driver in the graveyard, can you still Ghost Belle them? And the answer is yes, you can. Now before you can make the argument, what about the DRYTRONs? Well, that is very different. DRYTRONs establish location on activation, while Gamma establish location on resolution. So this means when DRYTRONs are activated, it's activated from the hand and only from the hand. So it's already determined on location on the activation, while Gamma, it's only on resolution once they special summon the monster that is determined where it was located. Now there are other cards that are pretty much similar to these type of situations, like Madolche Promenade, which allows you to target one card your opponent controls and one Madolche on your side of the field or graveyard. Now, if they choose to target a Madolche on the side of the field, then you cannot chain Ghost Belle. But if they target a Madolche in the graveyard, then for sure you could chain Ghost Belle to it. Now, another card that has to do with determining location on resolution is Red Eyes Darkness Metal Dragon, which allows you to special summon a dragon from hand or graveyard. So if you don't have any dragons in the graveyard, you can actually be chained to Ghost Belle to Red Eyes Darkness Dragon's effect. So this is the key difference between establishing location on activation and establishing location on resolution. And that's the misconception of Ghost Belle and Haunted Mansion. Now, if you guys enjoyed today's episode, you know what to do. Like and subscribe. And if you guys want a sneak peek of future products we're planning on reviewing on the channel, you can follow me on my Instagram, Vaughn Gear. I'm Vaughn, and this was the Misconception series.